Hey, it's Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So, I'm not entirely convinced that the NASDAQ has found a bottom here, mainly because, you have this 195-minute squeeze and it still hasn't fired. It is pretty oversold. You pulled back to the 21 EMA, but the last several, at least 5 sessions in a row have been pretty weak. Today we did get a little bit of buying at the end of the day, but nothing, nothing too crazy, we're just barely flat right about now. So moral of the story is I don't know if this is a low yet or not, but if and when we start seeing some buying, the stocks that I want to focus on are going to be the major FANG stocks, and most notably Microsoft. So again, I haven't really seen a shift here higher yet, but if we start seeing, shift lower or shift higher on the VZO, you can start to see this one breaking out right here. That's just an indication that volume's coming into the stock. So Microsoft did hold on to just be barely positive today. But when you are looking at an overall price target, I have a 305 and then a 310 price target on this, and I think at the very minimum I could at least sell some put credit spreads. This is also a ticker that usually trades around high open interest strikes, and it is quadruple witching expiration. So I would not be surprised if it traded up into the 300 or 305 strike price this week. But moral of the story is market's been soft. It's September, seasonal weakness, all that kind of stuff. But what has been really strong have been the FANG stocks. So if and when we start seeing the NASDAQ start to shift higher, these are going to be the ones that I'm going to focus on. Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, Netflix, Google. And right now, Microsoft has a nice consolidation setup. So if anything's going to go higher, that's probably going to be it. On the flip side, if these, Microsoft does break down below the 34 EMA, if this squeeze fires to the downside, that would mean that the setup is, broken. And in that case, I would not get in. So hope you have a great rest of your day. Hope you're enjoying your Monday, and I will see you in the next one.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.